Hit it.
This is stupid.
That's awesome. I completely disagree with him 110%. This is the new Trail Boss Custom. Tonneau cover here. I absolutely hate vinyl tonneau covers. I don't understand them. They seem useless. These side steps are hazard. You put a little bit of ice on that, you will die. They will absolutely take your legs out and you will end up eating everything you didn't want to. I actually like this little subtle trim. I don't know. It all looks pretty nice. I was hoping that would be illuminated, but it isn't. Oh, door gaskets. Just everything GM does. People want to know why I drive GM. It's literally just because I like some of the fit and finishes more than I like some of the other trucks on the road. The interior, very stereotypical. Better than any Dodge that has ever dodged. And I say that with true passion, and anybody that wants to argue, I'll meet you at the gym. You put your money where your mouth is. Obviously, Z71 fully loaded. Love the blacked out fascia. These LED lights look incredible in person. This truck, like I'm not very tall, 5.5 feet, but we're a good like shoulder height for the front of this grill. It's pretty prominent. It looks really good in person. It has a really nice stance. It's not stupidly tall, but it's not squatty and demeaning like a Dodge is either. This is a really confusing roof setup. That is one hell of a bulge for your head. Aside from that, it's just a nice, well-postured pickup truck. I'm quite pleased all in all. We'll get Dylan here to pop the hood just to give us a bit of an under the cuff view of what's going on. Interesting that they all have their funky dealio on the grill here. As you can tell, it is very well secured. Well-built Chevy. Thank you very much. Big old motor.
I appreciate this. This
6.2
looks good.
liter. Did you just compliment a modern pickup truck?
Front of it looks kind of beefy. Like it looks like I'll take an impact, but
Unlike a Dodge?
makes it hard to work on.
Unlike a Dodge.
The only problem is though, you get in an accident and this is all screwed.
Oh, Dill, the truck would cost way too much to fix anyways. At that point, you want it gone and you want a new one. Interesting. I like it. They're not over the top, but it's properly appointed. Are the ZR1 rims? No, they're not.